For today's repair shop owner, staying ahead in the automotive industry means continuously offering innovative solutions that improve vehicle performance and customer satisfaction. As a professional parts retailer, you have the opportunity to help them keep their customers and their service teams happy. One such advancement gaining traction is the conversion from active suspension systems to passive ones. For many of your customers, this may be an opportunity they're not even aware of. Active suspension systems can offer enhanced ride comfort and stability to many drivers until they don't anymore. Thanks to electronic sensors and actuators, they can also lead to significant repair bills as vehicles age. This is where active to passive suspension conversion kits offer a compelling alternative. Drivers may consider converting from active to passive suspension primarily to reduce long-term maintenance expenses. Active suspension components, such as air struts and adaptive dampers, can be a surprisingly expensive replacement bill for drivers to absorb. A passive system, relying on traditional coil springs and shock absorbers, eliminates these costly parts, potentially saving customers up to 65% on suspension-related repairs. While active suspensions provide advanced handling capabilities, modern passive systems, like those found in FCS conversion kits, deliver a reliable and comfortable ride. These kits are engineered with optimized damping characteristics to balance comfort and vehicle control. Passive suspensions are mechanically straightforward compared to active systems. This simplicity translates into easier diagnostics and repairs, minimizing downtime and increasing throughput in a repair shop. Technicians familiar with traditional suspension components can adapt quickly to the conversion kits, reducing the need for specialized training and equipment. Passive suspensions are generally more robust, with fewer electronic parts vulnerable to parts damage or failure. When converted using FCS kits, the suspension's durability improves, leading to fewer warranty claims and callbacks. This reliability not only benefits a shop's reputation, but also reduces operational costs over time. FCS conversion kits are designed for a direct fit, simplifying the installation process. These kits include all necessary components, eliminating the need for modifications and making the conversion accessible for both experienced technicians and DIY enthusiasts. When recommending a conversion, it's important to discuss potential trade-offs with your customer. Converting to a passive system means losing the real-time adjustments of an active suspension, which may result in a slightly different ride feel, particularly in high-end luxury vehicles. Vehicles with aging or failing active systems are prime candidates for conversion. Luxury SUVs and crossovers like the Cadillac Escalade, Chevy Tahoe, and GMC Yukon often benefit from the cost savings. Older performance vehicles with worn-out adaptive dampers can also be excellent candidates for a more reliable and affordable passive solution. Compatibility is also key. FCS designs many different conversion kits for specific vehicle models, so always verify fitment at fcsautoparts.com before proceeding. Offering the components to convert from active to passive suspensions positions your store as a forward-thinking, versatile, problem-solving business. Many customers seek vehicles with enhanced reliability and performance without the added complexity of active systems. By providing these parts, you can help shops attract a broader clientele and increase revenue streams. Thanks for watching.